Good afternoon, dear student. I am Abdurrauf, assistant teacher, Amnabaki Residential Model School and College. Today I am going to taking a class on grammar for class 7. So today we are going to learn about transformation. That's mean how we have to transfer from several sentences. Today we are going to learn transformation from affirmative into negative. So if we want to transfer any sentence, first we have to follow some instruction, that means some rules. So first, if we want to transfer from affirmative into negative, we have to follow first rule. If we can find that in an affirmative sentence alone, we have to take none but instead of alone, and where we have to use none but, first we have to think which word alone modify, and we have to use none but before the modified word. Suppose here Allah alone can help us, so here we can see alone. So if we want to transfer it from affirmative into negative, we have to use none but instead of alone, and we have to use before the modified word. That's mean which word alone modify, we have to use none but before the modified word. That's mean here Allah alone can help us. We can see here alone modify Allah, so we have to use none but. Then Allah, then rest of the sentences can help us. Another example we can see, he can do the work alone. That's mean we can see here in the affirmative, if in the affirmative sentence alone, so we have to use none but instead of alone, and first we have to think which word alone modify. He can do the work alone. That's mean only he can do. That's mean alone modify he. We have to use none but before he. Then the second rule, if we can find in an affirmative sentence alone only, we have to use none but, nothing but, also not more than or not less than. If and we have to use none but, nothing but, or not more than, not less than instead of only. If we can see that only modify the person, we have to use none by before person. If only modify object or things, we have to use nothing but before the modified word. If we can see only modify s or number, we have to use not more than, not less than. Here he can solve the problem only. That's mean we can see here only modify he, so we have to use, this is person, we have to use none but, and before the modified word. That's mean none but he can solve the problem. Another example we can see here. I have only a few toys. Only. So first we have to think only which word modify. I have only a few toys. That's mean a few toys. So we have to use here a few toys. That means things or object. We have to use nothing but, and before a few toys. That means I have nothing a few toys. Another example we can see, he is 10 years old only. He is 10 years old only. So first we have to think which word only modify. He is 10 years old only. That's mean modify 10. So this is S. We have to use not more than or not less than before 10. He is not more than 10 years old. Another example, she has a pet cat only. So she has nothing but a pet cat. Another example, nothing was only 20. So we have to think only modify 20, that means is. So we have to use nothing, not more than instead of only. Not more than 20. In this way, if we can find in an affirmative sentence every, and if we want to change it from affirmative into negative, we have to use first there is no, then the modify word of every, then but, then rest of the clause from verb. Suppose example here, every mother loves her child. We can see here every mother, every. So if we want to change it from affirmative into negative, first we have to use there is no. There is no. Then the modify word, that's mean every modify mother. So we have to take here mother. Then but, Then rest of the sentences from verb loves her child. Another example, everybody hates a liar. Liar. So we have to use there is no instead of every. No. Then modify what? That's in body. Body. Then but. Then rest of the sentences from verb hates a liar. In this way, if we can find in an affirmative sentence always, we have to use never instead of always, and then antonyms of the affirmative word. As example, always speak the truth. The truth. Always speak the truth. Always speak the truth. That's been we can find here always. So if we want to change it into negative, we have to use never instead of always. Never. Then the antonyms of the affirmative word speak, we know that we have to use speak, always be truth, and we have to tell a lie. So speaks, the antonyms was tell, and also truth antonyms was a lie. If we can find in an affirmative sentence both dot and we have to use not only dot but also. We have to use not only instead of both and also but also instead of and. Both, as example, both he and his brother can go. This is affirmative sentence, and also we can see both and. If we want to change it into negative, we have to use not only instead of both. Not only he but also instead of and the rest of the sentence. His brother can go. Another example, he is both a poet and a singer. Here we can see both and also and. If we want to change it into negative, first we have to think that here both and also and, we have to use not only instead of both and but also instead of and. That means he is not only a poet but also singer. If we can find in an affirmative sentence 2 and if we want to change it into negative, we have to use so instead of to and that instead of to. Suppose example here, he is too weak to walk. If we want to, we can see here 2 that means this is affirmative sentence, and if we want to change it into negative, first we have to use so instead of to. So weak, and we have to use that instead of to. Then we have to take the subject also, then cannot or could not. If we can find that this is present tense, we have to use here cannot, and if we can find that this is past, we have to use here could not. Then verb. Another example, she was too tired to speak. So here we can see 2 and if we want to change it into negative, we have to use so instead of to, also that instead of to. She was so tired that, then we have to take the subject she, then we have to use cannot or could not. Here we can see this is past tense, so we have to use could not. Could not. Then verb, walk. She was so tired that she could not walk. If we can find in an affirmative sentence, as soon as, we have to use no sooner had instead of as soon as. As soon as he came, Mala went away. We can see in the affirmative sentence as soon as, and if we want to change it into negative, we have to use no sooner had instead of as soon as. We know that this is had, so we have to use the subject of the first clause PV3. That's mean no sooner had he come, then we have to use then at the end of the first clause, then the other clause. Mala, then Mala went away. Another example, as soon as the train arrived, people got up into the train. So we can see here as soon as, and if we want to change it into negative, we know that we have to use no sooner had instead of as soon as. And we have to use the first clause verb PV3. Here arrived. So past one also past participle one are same. Arrived, then and other clause. So no more today. I think you have understood the rules or transformation from affirmative into a negative. I hope you have to solve the exercise from your book at home, and also you have to stay at home. Thank you. No more today.